Hi, my name's Peter Scully of Just Lead, and we're filming this DVD to assist people who want to take up the art of lead welding. During the film you will see demonstrations of flat welding, incline and upright. I hope you benefit from it, and thanks for joining us. I can come up using this part as a filler. I'm going to keep a bit of filler rod there in case I need it. And I come in, note the angle of the flame, I take a bit of metal from the piece that's lapping, and up we go. I'm slightly playing it on the back sheet until it's hot enough to receive the molten metal from the front sheet. And you may be able to see that, I hope you can see that forming. The flame's gone a bit dodgy. When things start looking a bit awkward, take the flame away. If you keep them there, you'll end up with a hole in it. And take it from me, this incline method is easier than upright. I missed a beat in that case. Once you miss these, it can make the world look very untidy. It's important that you try and get yourself in a position where you can achieve the same timing on each visit. I've lost it again there. And then we'll come along from this corner. You'll notice I'm tapping it down. The reason is, as you warm it, the expansion that's created tends to make it raise not only off the decking or bench, but also the lap off of the base metal. And that is the corner finish. Demonstration, I'll put one piece of lead up against the other, and as I said, if I can, I'll try and tack the top. You'll notice now a very fine rod, and what I want to try and do, again, just feel a little pull at the bottom, give me something to work from. Now it's quite important that that is well back there. And I'm going to now try and do this upright. On the back sheet I'm putting the heat, then I pull a bit off the front sheet, take the flame away. On, back sheet, off. On, off. And you might find it starts moving a lot quicker as you go up because the heat has been gained. So you might have to slow down before you lose it. The problem with this upright method is once you lose it, it's difficult to regain. Again, you can see the rhythm, and you can see that the blue of the flame, that little piece needs to be close. It's no good having it half inch away. And there you have an upright weld. I'm not overstruck on upright welds in as much as they haven't got the same strength as a flat butt weld. And in some cases you may have to build them up a bit to make them look a bit more robust, or you might get a bit of undercutting along here. What I often use is a very fine rod, and then what you can do is go over that weld to give it a bit more metal. I hope you can see how that's just melting off the rod, and because it's fine, it defies gravity. If you try and use a thicker rod, what you'll find is it will just drip down without catching on the weld. This is an optional extra, just a little bit of fannying really, but by using it, if nothing else, it'll help you to control the flame. Again, when you get to the top, if there's going to be trouble, that's where it starts. A lot of heat there now. Heat rises, you only got to be there a split second and the whole lot.